Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the default currency on your YouTube channel. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click next. You are logged into your YouTube account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. Under Default Unit section, click on the drop-down menu that says Currency. Select your preferred currency. Click Save. That's it, your default currency has been changed. Now, if you go to Analytics, your earnings will be shown in your default currency instead of US dollars. This is how you can change the default currency on your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.